Hello everyone. Today's problem name is Decremental String Concatenation. So the problem is you are given a zero indexed array words containing n strings, and let's define a join operation, join xy between two strings x and y as concatenating them into xy. However, if the last character of x is equal to the first character of y, one of them is deleted. So we have to concatenate two strings. Let's say we are concatenating AB and BA. So if their last character is equal, then we will delete one. We will say A B B A. If we are uh, we are just applying this join operation, then it will concatenate it into A B A. And if they are A B C D E, so we can concatenate AB in the last also and AB in the first also. That I will let you understand in the with the example. So let's say if we are concatenating it, so it will become A B C D E because its last character is not equal to its first character. So it will concatenate by this. So what you have to do, this is important statement. You are to perform n-1 join operations. Let string 0 is equal to words of 0 starting from I equal to 1. We have to take words 0, like we have to take first string from the vector of string, and then we have to start from 1 to n-1. Then we will concatenate from 1 to n-1 continuously. What we can do that there, for ith operation, what we can do, we can concatenate string I minus 1 to words of I. Means if we are concatenating string 0 and string 1, so what we can do, we can concatenate the string 0 in the beginning and string 1 in the end. Or we can do string 1 in the beginning and string 0 in the end. So with the example you will understand what I'm saying. Let's say what we have to do in this, we have to take string 0 first. So let's say we have taken string 0, it is A and A. Okay, now we are moving from I 1 to n minus 1. Let's say we are here, so we have two options. This is AB, we have two options. We can concatenate it in the beginning and in the end. Okay, so let's say we are concatenating it in the beginning. Means AB we are adding here from this side. So if we will add AB from this side, so its last character, let's say AB is this. So AB is this. Is its last character is equal to its first character? No, it is not. So it will concatenate like A, B, A and A simply. So now let's say we are concatenating it from the last. So what it will become? Its last character A is equal to its first character. Am I right? Yes. So what it will become? It will become A, and one A will be deleted. So A and B. Okay. Now our string is this. Now we are at BC. So here also we have two options. We can concatenate it from the beginning or from the end. From the beginning or from the end. Okay. Now BC. If I am concatenating it from here, so no character is no character is common. So we will say it's B, C, A, B, A and A. Okay. At last also, if I will concatenate from here, BC. So no character, not its last character and its first character are different. So it will become this only. So we will write it here. Okay, now BC I am concatenating from here. So what it will become? It will become A, B, one B will be deleted and C. Similarly, if I am concatenating it from here, from the beginning, so it will become B, C, A and B. So we have to find the minimum length of the string. So this is 4, this is 1 2 3 4 5, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 6 5 and 4. So what we'll choose, we'll say okay, I am choosing it as my answer. So simply what we have to do, we have to take the zeroth string, and then we will move from I1 to n minus 1, I1 to n minus 1. At every string we have two options, we can concatenate it with this string from the beginning or from the end, so this is the simplest way. Now if I am concatenating it from the beginning, so I will check if I am concatenating it from the beginning, so I will check if which string I am concatenating, its last character is equal to the existing string's first character or not. If it is equal, then I will say its length, I will add this length plus this length minus 1, the existing length plus this length and minus 1, because I am deleting one character. If they are equal, then I'll say the existing length plus its length and minus 1. If they are not equal, then I'll say okay, simply add both length. And similarly, if I am concatenating from the last, I will check the condition if its last character is equal to its first character or not. So let's come on the code, you will understand. So what I am doing, I am taking three things. One, I is variable here, because what I am doing, I am going from I0, I1 to n minus 1. So I is variable, and what I am choosing, I am saying its first character is equal to its first character is equal to its last character or not, or its last character is equal to its first character or not. So what I am repeating, first character and last character. First character, what I want in this string, in this whole string, I only want its length and its first character and its last character. So its first character and its last character. So if I am moving ahead, let's say it is a, its first character is a, last character is a. Now I am here. It's first, now this string, now it become this string a b a a. Now also its first character is a, last character is a. Let's say it is, now it became this. So its first character is a and last character is b. So what is changing? First character, last character. Three things are changing. One is I, second is first character, third is last character. I only want the first character, last character. I will check. So there are two ways. I can concatenate from start, I can concatenate from end. Then from start also I have to check its if I am concatenating it from start. So I will check uh, its last character is equal to its first character or not. So last character, first character I want in both condition. So what I am doing, so three things are changing. So I am taking a dp of, so our I is maximum 1000, so I'm taking 1001, and the characters are 26 their length is 26, so I'm taking 26. So I'm initializing the dp from -1, and in starting what I said, the initial size will be words 0 size, the first string size, first string we are taking in our answer, then I'm saying you call the function and begin the I from 1, and this is its first character, the existing string is first string, and first string's first character this, and first string first last character is this, 0 initial size means first string size, so first string size -1 its last character, and I'm subtracting a so that I can convert it into int in words. So in the function, what I am doing, if I is greater or equal to word size, then simply I will return 0, because it's exceeding the limit. It's exceeding the limit. I is here, so I can't give any answer from here. So I'm saying I is greater than 0, greater than word size, then return 0 simply. Also, if dp of I start and end, where I am starting, the existing strings start is the start, the existing strings end is end. So if uh, which at which I and start and end I am, if its dp is not -1, means if it is having any answer, so simply return it, don't call. So it is memorizing simply. So what I have to do, I have two options, am I right? So I can concatenate with start, or I can concatenate with end. So I am initializing them with int max, because I want minimum answer. So let's say I am okay, so now this is, I am at let's say I am at 1, I am at 1 here. In this example, I have taken 0 the string a, like now I am at 1 ab. So I have to concatenate it, I have to concatenate it. So what I want its first character and its last character. So what I am saying, next strings start, next string start, what it will be, words of I of 0, and next string and what it will be, words of I dot size -1. So I have stored both the characters. Now let's say I want to concatenate with end. I have two options, no? So let's say I want to concatenate with end. If I am concatenating with end, I will say with end I am concatenating this AB with its end. So what I have to check, the existing strings end is equal to new strings start. If it is equal, then what I will say, concatenative with end is equal to the words I dot size, its size, what is its size, okay, and this size I have already added in the function itself, okay. So what I'll say, its size -1, because they are equal, so I am subtracting 1 from the length, and again I am calling the next string, and now my string will become a and b, a and b. So the new start will be the previous start, okay, because I am concatenating with end, so the end will be changed, the start will, that only, that was previous, I plus 1 start, the next, the end will be changed, because I am concatenating with end. So now end will be the new strings end, the new strings end will become now my next end and words. Let's say they are not equal. If they are not equal, then I will simply add its length and I will not subtract -1. Now the second option, I can concatenate with start. I can concatenate with start. So what I will check now, I am concatenating AB with here from here. So I will say, if the existing strings start is equal to the new strings end, the new strings end is equal to existing strings start. If they are equal, then simply I will say its answer is equal to the new string size -1 plus solve. Now I am concatenating with start, so start will be merged, so now start will be changed, I plus 1. Now the start will be the, which string I have concatenated, its start will be new start. So next start will be now my start, and end will the previous one only. So if they are not equal, then I will simply add the words of I dot size. I will not subtract -1, and I will call the function again for I plus 1. So simply what I am doing, you can see the whole code. The whole code is, I am doing, I am initializing the DP, and I'm taking the 0th string size, and I am going from 1 to n-1, and I'm going to 1 to n-1. I have two options. I can concatenate with start, I can concatenate with end, and uh, there also I have two options. If they are equal, I will subtract -1, and their start and end will change accordingly. If they are not equal, then I will not subtract -1, start and end will change accordingly. If I'm concatenating with the start and they are equal, then I will subtract minus 1 and their start and end will change accordingly. And if they are not equal, I will not subtract minus 1 and their start and end will change accordingly. So simply at last I am returning the dp of I start and end, minimum of concatenate with end or concatenate with start. So I have two options. I can concatenate with start or end. So which will give me minimum length, I will take it as my answer. And this answer I am adding here. So this will return my final answer. So I can submit the code. It has submitted successfully. Thank you.